Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Toby. I hope we're all having a good day today. Today I'm heading into B&M store to get a little bit of things for the house, and I wanted to bring you all along with me to show you what's new in B&M April 2022. Just walking to the store now and walking through the chocolate section. And hey guys, before I forget, please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and let the shopping begin. They have this beautiful throw blanket. The mustardy one, it's £6, and the mustard and gray one is £10. And they have all this beautiful plush color as well of throw cushions, and yeah, they have this beautiful gray color. And this is another beautiful velvety blanket. Yeah, that is quite pricey, but it's so lovely. And lots of different throw pillows that you can use, you know, to decorate your house. And look at that shaggy looking one over there. They look really nice. And here are the flat sheets and the fitted sheet, you know, for the single bed, for the double beds, and you can see the prices. They're just like £2, £4.99, and you know, it depends on the size of the bed as well. And these are the, you know, the beddings. Oh, there's more throw pillow up there with the tassels on them. And yeah, look at all these beautiful beddings. Oh my gosh, these bed sets, they look absolutely lovely. Some of them are quite pricey, but I'm telling you, you go into the store, you will always want to buy something, because there's, I mean, maybe I just have wandering eyes or something. And look at those beddings. Oh my gosh, do they not look lovely? And their prices, yeah, I know they're quite pricey. That one says twin. I'm thinking maybe it's just 2 in a pack. Oh yeah, twin pack, right? 2 in a pack. I'm sorry. More beddings here, and the 100% pure cotton. It says it up there. They have varieties of these. I mean, you can choose any color. Look at them. Any color you want, you know, just beautify your house, your bedroom, just look lovely with when you can, you know, just match your color nicely. Oh, I love those pillows up there. Oh, look at that beautiful plush one. It looks really nice. Oh, look at that, more pillows. I know. The bedding, I did a long filming for the bed inside, because I just wanted to show you all, you know, the different types of bedding they have in there, you know. And these are the pillows, you know, hypoallergenic pillows, you know, beautiful soft silk satin pillows as well. Orthopedic pillows. Oh yeah, that one says dog feather. Yeah, those nice soft pillows there as well. I actually have my little ones, you know, behind me in this video. They were just following quietly. They were just following me quietly. They wanted to come into the store with me to do this video. I said, okay, come on then, let's go. They also have the duvet here, both single and double. The single one I think is £8. I wanted to show you the other side of the aisle with more beddings, you know, there's more selections. They have varieties, they have a lot. You just come in the store and pick yours. And you know, different addition to your bed as well to make it nice and beautiful. You know, if you're that person that likes, you know, loads and loads of pillows in your bed. Yeah, look at that plush and the gray one up there. They look really nice. I mean, on this section, their prices are not bad. They're not actually bad. They're okay, you know. Look at the children's section as well. They have this beautiful varieties of colors and designs for children bed sets. You know, kids love colorful ones. You know, they want to have, oh, that color, this color, I want stars, I want this, I want that. It's just, you know, take your pick. These are beautiful artificial plants that you can decorate your house with. These are some candles right here. £2.99 for these candles. Different varieties of, you know, plant pots. They're artificial. This ones, they're not live plants. Yeah. Yeah, they have different designs, varieties of them as well. It's just, you know, they have loads that you can just, you know, choose whichever you like from. And their prices are not bad. £2, £3, £4. Oh, my favorite bit, candles. I love candles. Oh my goodness, I love candles. These are beautiful, nicely scented candles. Whoa, those are £15. My goodness, those are pricey. Bit pricey there, those ones. Oh yeah, the strawberry ones. I love this one. I got this. Yeah, definitely got that one. I don't play with my candles. I love, whenever I could go to, you know, stores like this, I make sure I pick myself some candles. They always have varieties of candles with lots of fruity essence. Yeah, different ones. Those are oil burner, essential oil burner. I love those ones. I use those for, you know, when I have a bit of cold, I just put like maybe tea tree oil or put a peppermint oil and just, you know, with a tea lamp candle, and just, you know, infuse it in the bedroom for a bit. And yeah, a while back I went to the store and I got this sea breeze candle from B&M, and oh my goodness, it smells really lovely, just like, you know, the sea breeze essence. Beautiful smell. And every time I go back to the store, they don't have it. Every time they don't have it. If I had known, I would have bought loads and loads of the candle. I don't know, maybe it's one of those one-off thing. Well, I learned my lesson from there. Next time I see a candle or anything I like that, I'm so picking lots and lots of them, because you never know, you may not be able to find it again. Lesson learned. And these are their rugs. You can see all the colors. They have different varieties of rugs and more throw cushions. Look at the beautiful ones with the tassels on them. They have different design. I don't know, I'm just showing you loads and loads of cushions because I want you to be able to have your pick. They have varieties of, you know, of them. I feel like you can furnish your house with everything in B&M, top to bottom. I actually feel like that. You can literally find anything and everything. Anything and everything. Oh my goodness, there is so much. There is so much, like, you can't even decide sometimes, you know, everything is calling onto you. And these are more rugs here for you, different colors of them as well. They have nice selection of curtains as well. They have them in different colors, different designs. Those are the ring curtains. They have more houseplants here, you know, different kinds of them. Those are actually artificial plants and they look so beautiful. They also have different varieties of hanging plant. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, look at the design. It's so nice. This plant, you know, decorates, you can use to decorate your bathroom, your kitchen, you know, your dining set, you know, different, anything you can think of. It's just to beautify your home. And you don't have to spend way too much. These don't cost much at all. Some of them are £2, £4, you know, it depends on what sizes they are. These are signs, hanging signs, you know, on the doors, on the walls, heart shape, different kinds. And that's my little one said, oh, that's a dream catcher. I'm thinking, what is that? And they also have the LED candles, the lamp up there, different types of canvas hat, wall hat, you know, to decorate your home. I got the ballerina one for my children's bedroom, and it looks really nice in there too. Children furniture set, kids wooden table and chairs. They have their coat stand there. They have it on sale too for £20, and they also have the shoe racks over there. And I think yeah, the tier 3 one there costs £10, and I think the 2-tier costs £5. You can see it up there. So if you're in need of this, you should quickly get to the store and pick yours before it's all gone or the price is increased. This is the furniture set, ladder shelf for £30. It's on sale. It was £50, but now it's on sale. Different side table and bedside table as well. Coffee table, and I think they are all on markdown prices. I think they're on sale. They reduce their prices as well. So if you need any of these, you should get in the store before they increase the prices again. They have this beautiful garden furniture as well. This costs £150, and this it says gravity relaxer, you know, for the garden when you want to relax in the garden. And they have all the set for you know, the kids as well, the children set for when the weather is hot. We're all getting ready for the nice hot weather to come through. So yeah, if you need any of this, just get into B&M and pick them up. We all know the nice sunny weather will be in soon, so get into the store and pick up this grill. Right now they sold for £45 for these different ones here, and it's quite big as well. And we all know that if you don't get them now, when the weather is still a little bit wet, by the time it's hot and sunny, we know the shops will put up the prices. So get into the store now and pick this up. And this is a foldable picnic table. You know, when you're outside, maybe when you go to the park, you can just pick this up, and all the grill set as well. I know I'm looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to when you can be out there and, you know, fire your grill and enjoy barbecue with families and friends. Even though we know what's going on with prices increase with, you know, with everything, at least we can still enjoy something with our family and friends in our homes or in our gardens. They also have this lovely rattan lampshades in different design. And different bedside lamp as well, in different color. It's they have the plush pink, the gray, different colors. You just take your pick. And the lovely chandeliers as well. I'm sorry, this video is a little bit long, and it's this long because I wanted to be able to show you a lot of what's new in the store. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.